How to create Gamepass on Roblox. First, you want to open roblox.com on your browser. Once you search for it, you want to log in into your account. Once you're in this page after logging into your account, you can click on this option called Create over here. Once you're in the creation page, you want to click on the option called Creations again. And from inside here, you want to choose any experience in which you want to sell your Game Pass. I'm going to go into this. And if you don't have an experience, you can click and create experience to create your own world where you can share your Game Pass, okay? I'm just going to go into the one which already exists for me. Then I can scroll on the left side and under monetization, you will see passes. Click on it. From here, you can click and create a pass and you can create any pass. I'm just going to create a pass called Random Money Stealer, and in description I'm gonna say just buy it, trust the process. This is just a random thing I'm writing. You can write anything you want. Click and create pass. Once the pass is created, you can click on it to open the pass, and what you can do is click on sales. Make sure to click item for sale is on, choose the price you want for it to be sold at, and click on save changes. And just like this, you have created yourself a Roblox Game Pass. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.